Hi everyone! Welcome to Christmas in July Fairies. Alright, so this is a giveaway. So what you need to do is make a comment below in order to enter to be a semi-finalist. And then I'm going to draw the winner at the beginning of July and get your address, your mailing address, and then I'll send it over to Dana at Dana's Wanderlust Crochet, and she's going to put it in a hat or a bowl or something with all the other semi-finalists, and then she'll draw a grand prize winner. Now there's a whole bunch of channels that are involved in this. That playlist will be below, so go and enter on all of them. And my semi-finalist will get a little gift from me. And then the grand prize winner will be chosen by Dana on July 25th. So keep your eye out for the semi-finalist winner videos and the grand prize winner video, who will get a gift from each and every channel that is participating. Oh, what fun. Okay, so below I want you to comment. I'd like you to say hi from, and whatever city or state or province or country you're from. I'd love to know where you all are from. All right, so do that and check that playlist below and enter on the other channels that are in there. This is so exciting. I wish you all the best.